Yo, it's Riderpalooza 2010. Today we have two worthy opponents going head to head, riding the shit out of each other. First we have Bird, Chicken Feather Vasquez versus Grouch, the Stinkamaroo Martinez. First up, we have someone hailing from Tampa, Florida, weighing 140 pounds. He is 6'1", let's just say, he's not really. And here he comes, Bird, Chicken Feather Vasquez! Alright, shut off. Alright, and next we have, someone that you might know. He has been in 2 of our videos, and he has even been the cameraman because he's so damn ugly. Yes, you know who I'm talking about. Grouch, the Stinkamaroo Martinez!
Oh, grouchy bitch!
And, alright, now we have a competition here. And the winner wins, yes, you guessed it, the toss quarter. Here we go. We're gonna see who gets to who goes first. What you choose, sir?
Heads.
And you obviously got tails. So let's see who wins here. It's heads, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, it is heads. So, Chris, who do you wanna go first?
Man, you can let this bitch go first.
Oh, he sounded really mighty tough there, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go see how it goes. Alright, DJ, you go up first. 5 rides each. Keep the profanity at a high, so I'll ride the shit out of him. I'm gonna need a beat, nigga. I'm gonna need a beat. Oh, this nigga wants a beat. Alright, hold on. Let's hit that beat. Look at your feet. Look at them. They got big meats. No homo, nigga, suck on my sheets. That's what I do. Fuck all you niggas and fuck him too. Oh! What's up? Suck on me again. No homo, nigga. I ain't playing that shit. That's it. You're finished. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Talking about feet, the dirtiest king. Nigga, you smell like onions on a smelly day. Nigga, I hate, but I'm not a horse. Look at your hair and look like Morse. I don't know what that is, but you're Porsche. Nigga, fuck you. You don't even wear shoes. Your dick is so little, like 2 times 2. Nigga, I'm blue, just like Blue's Clues. This rap is over. I'm gonna buy some shoes. Oh!